Hello everyone, and today we're going to discuss what's the difference between the adjectives grumpy, grumbly, and grouchy. Well, concisely speaking, they describe someone who is in a bad mood or ill-tempered. Well, let's start with the word grumpy. Grumpy describes someone in a bad mood, annoyed, unhappy, and perhaps anxious. For example, Grandpa Jode from the book of The Grapes of Wrath. When he'd known that his family moving to California from Oklahoma, where he was born and raised, he was grumpy, anxious, agitated, annoyed. Let's say he was also feeling tired because of his age. So, to the next word, grumbly. Grumbly describes someone who is in a bad mood, but who's complaining a lot and muttering. So, people who are grumbly, they are muttering to themselves a lot. For example, let's say, how hard is life? So, and we got one more word, grouchy. Well, grouchy is the most intense from these three words. It applies some kind of a degree of, let's say, provoking people, looking for arguments. What else it can be? Grouchy people, they are, well, as I said, I think that the best example here is that grouchy people, they are very annoyed about something. They looking for arguments and provoking people. They may provoke people for, let's say, for verbal arguments, or even they can even provoke people for fights, because maybe after that they may feel a little bit less grouchy about this, about their life, for example. And I think that the best example here is about Grouch Douglas or Joe Gage from The Hateful Eight. When John Ruth trying to, let's say, in quotes, take his revolver, Grouch Douglas trying to act, well, grouchy, and he's provoking John Ruth verbally, and he's trying to provoke him physically, and he's talking also, let's say, he's talking sly. Well, that's all the difference between these words. I hope now you understand it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.